Today I have Mercedes C220d and the chassis is, you can see here, W205, and the customer complaining about gearbox. The problem of this is when you put in a drive, you can see here, when we try to put on gear, is go D3 and banging. When you put in a reverse, look, is big bang. And you can see, if I'm gonna put again in a P and we're gonna put in a drive, is not selecting number 1. His D should be goes in the D1 and it goes D3. And when I'm putting in a reverse, see, big bang. This is the problem, and car is not shifting a gears. And when we try to when I'm gonna read the code, then you can see I'm gonna get the ECU information on there. This is the part number, EHS, and the hardware is like this. If you can see here, if you can go to the diagnostic, you can see here P073E00, reverse gear cannot be engaged. This is the problem, and the car doing it like that. This is the common problem. This is a 9-speed. So if you have the problem of like that, because this is a common problem, so you have to contact with me, and we are in Hounslow. My name is Terry, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, 167 Henmouth Road, Hounslow Motor Limited. There you can see my review as well. We're doing every day. So if you have the problem of like that, you can contact with me, and we can ready your car like 3 to 4 hours. It's come with the warranty job, so you have to contact me through WhatsApp, phone. You can do anytime, send me an email, message, and I am gonna come back to you. My phone number is 07402536382. My name is Terry, and we are near Heathrow, only just 5 miles. So if you have the problem like that, you have to bring the car, cup of coffee, car will be ready. You can see review as well, how many we done it, and people leave a good review on there. So only just call me, and I'm gonna give you the estimate, and then we're gonna do the job. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.